Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. There's lots of different grounds for applying for asylum. One of them could be forced sterilization, okay? And depending on the circumstances, the country, why they want to do it, you could come to the U.S. and claim asylum because of that. And it would be for different reasons. Okay, one, of course, could be a social group, which would be, all women or it could be men. Either way, they could force it. All people in that group who are similarly situated, who are getting ordered to be sterilized. Now, it could be for a variety of reasons. It could be because you're from some village and that's just what happens. It could be because they think that you committed some kind of crime of which there has been no um, justice served, and they believe that is justice. Or it could be because the elder in the village has ordered it without any due process or whatever. Or it could even be because you do have a crime, and still, that could be a legal consequence in that country, but still, you could claim asylum by coming to the U.S. Now, obviously, when you come to the U.S., you may or may not have any documents to prove the intent of what's going to happen. That happens a lot of times in asylum. But you will have your testimony, you'll have the events that occurred, and you'll have the reasons why they wanted to do it. And again, you'll have to formulate the asylum under one of the five enumerated grounds, which make one eligible to apply and hopefully win asylum. You have to realize that this is somewhat of a unique situation, and it would be in the instance, first of all, for the officer just to deny, say they're sorry about your personal problems, but that's not any reason to grant asylum. So it will have to be framed in a manner that shows that maybe it's a punishment because you're politically against someone. That of course would be political asylum. Maybe it's because the religious people in your country feel that you violated their religion and this is the way of dealing with it. That could of course be religious persecution. And then again, the social group. So you will have to formulate it, and you could apply for more than one area. Okay, I always like to not put everything in one basket. So if you, for example, qualify in a social group and religious persecution, that's the way it would be framed, not just as one.